Remove the internal gear pump and verify that there is no rust on its surface. The environmentally friendly and rust-preventive packaging bag is adopted. Verify whether the model number on the nameplate matches that on the purchase order. Remove the shaft protective sleeve. Verify that the parallel key is properly seated in the keyway. Install the coupling, ensuring it slides freely without binding the coupling and pump shaft end. Maintain a clearance fit. Install the coupling while maintaining the specified clearance between it and the shoulder of the gear pump. Forcibly driving components with hammer blows or other tools will compromise the clearance between the thrust plate and shaft, causing the shaft to wear against the plate during operation and accelerating gear pump failure. After adjusting the axial clearance, assemble the gear pump while ensuring precise alignment of the register fit to prevent impact damage that could compromise installation. The register fit installation maintains a clearance fit, and the components must slide into position smoothly without binding during assembly. Tighten the screws initially to a preload, then apply the specified torque value corresponding to bolt size using a calibrated torque wrench. After installing the gear pump, adjust the clearance between the pump side coupling half and the elastomer bump on the flexible coupling. Remove the dust caps from ports A and B, then visually inspect both the flange surfaces and hydraulic ports for any damage or irregularities. Before installing the inlet flange, prime the inlet port with hydraulic fluid until the oil level reaches the flange face. If the inlet port isn't vertically oriented, prime through the outlet port instead. Inspect the O-ring at the oil line connection to prevent dislodgement that could cause oil leakage. Pre-tighten all fasteners at the oil pipe connections, then apply the specified torque corresponding to bolt size and grade using a calibrated torque wrench. Prior to motor startup, verify the pump rotation direction from the shaft extension end. If the arrow on the nameplate points right, it indicates clockwise rotation normal operation. Conversely, left pointing denotes counterclockwise rotation reverse operation. Ensure the pump starts under no load conditions and runs in for over 1 minute during motor startup to purge air from the system. Failure to fully evacuate air bubbles will cause abnormal noise and potential cavitation damage when loading the pump. Align the motor rotation direction with that of the pump according to the pump specifications. It is recommended to use ISO VG46 or 68 anti-wear hydraulic oil. Do not mix different types of hydraulic fluids. The oil must be replaced based on operating conditions, and the reservoir interior must be thoroughly cleaned during oil changes. Installation and maintenance of hydraulic pumps must be performed exclusively by qualified personnel. The pump shall only operate under specified working conditions. Prior to operation, consult technical documentation and the manufacturer's manual or contact the manufacturer directly to obtain operational specifications.